Good morning. You want me to scratch your butt? Is that what it is? You want me to scratch your butt? I can't even explain it anymore. I really can't. Good morning, guys. It is the 28th of December. And I thought I would vlog for the rest of the week up till New Year's Day. Or up till New Year's Eve. Did the comfiest pants I've ever owned. I don't know where they're from though. Super comfy. If I figure out where they're from, I'll put it down here because you guys gotta get them. This room, just like, it is such a mess. We're getting rid of that dresser because obviously it's like literally falling apart. And this vanity is gonna go because this is gonna be the area for her. And yeah, I just really want to get everything set up already and get this over there. That's gonna be where the rocking chair is at. I got a whole vision, alright, and I'm just so ready for it to like all come together. This is today's fit. I'm wearing Joshua's shirt and one of my pajama shirts under here. I need to get more like long sleeve shirts so I can do stuff like this because I want to like wear my shirts like this. I don't really have that many like long sleeve shirts. I don't know where these jeans are from. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna take the kids. We're gonna go get my nails done because and then after I'm gonna take them to the park. So see you guys there. Do you like it?
No, there's literally no flavor in it.
It's so good. It's so good. I put the wrong. So now I'm gonna start editing this video. And yeah. Why? Why me? I don't understand.
What is he doing?
Did I get it? Did I get it? There we go. Babe, so. Ew, what was that face?
What the heck are you guys watching?
This is great. So cold. It's really cold. And for some reason, my right arm that I fell on like 2 weeks ago won't stop popping and it's annoying me. But good morning, guys. What's up? I'm having some scrambled eggs, cup of coffee because much needed, some vanilla yogurt with blueberries, granola, and bananas. Bananas. Alright, so this is the food. Just some crew neck, that's what it's called, right? Crew neck? Some random crew neck. And these really cute leggings that are perfect for being pregnant because they go over the waistline. But these are from White Lotus and they're so comfy and soft. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I cleaned yesterday, right? I cleaned yesterday. Like, how does this happen so quickly? How? Like my face. It's having a reaction. You really can't tell on camera, but it looks like my face is having a reaction right now. Like right there. My skin is so weird. Like, I feel like the only time it's actually sensitive is when like it's touched, like with hands. Like, you could literally do the lightest like tap and I'll just get like so red like this. Yeah, you really can't tell at all, but also gonna break out in like hives. I really don't feel like cleaning my room, but in order for me to like actually feel good, I have to be in a clean environment. A clean environment leads to a clean mindset. So I'm just gonna put a video on, watch some YouTube videos or something. I don't want to do my hair. I'm just gonna let it do its own thing. How long is it? It's so long. Made it to the kitchen and now I'm cleaning. I guess nesting's taking over right now. I'm undecided if I want to keep editing. Oh wait, I probably should honestly, because since I'm getting Final Cut Pro, the editing that I've done on iMovie, I guess I can just edit what I have now and save it so I can do the rest on iMovie. I mean, Final Cut Pro. Yeah, maybe. Probably. So that's what I'm doing now. The kids are just chilling in the living room, so I have me time, which I'm grateful for. But we're gonna be leaving in about an hour to go get the goods. I think I'm gonna take them to the park after because I always run them around and I feel bad sometimes because they're just like, I want to be home. So that's what I'm gonna do. I finished cleaning, not really with the bed. I'm washing the sheets and the pillowcases, so I'm waiting for that to get out. And if you're wondering what this bed is, I'll link my bed down below because it is super comfy. It's a full, and then I got this bed frame off of Amazon, which I highly recommend. It is so nice. It's low and it folds. It freaking folds. So you can literally bring it with you anywhere you go. And then this is just like an extra padding that we put on it, but it's great. And that's a pregnancy pillow that I do not use at all. With my planner, I'm going to be setting it up more organized. When I write stuff down, I'm going to be highlighting too, so I don't even know how many I'm going to use. I'll grab through. I have so many highlighters. But right now, I'm planning out YouTube, so I wrote YouTube at the top. You see like they're kind of like divided. There's the sections. So I'm going to highlight YouTube because that's a category in itself. And below that, I'm just going to write things that I want to accomplish. So I wasn't able to get the camera because they think someone stole 2 of the cameras that they had left, but I pre-ordered it and it'll come in tomorrow. So I just got the hard drive because my computer needs more storage. And we are tired. I wanted to get the Lacy hard drive because I've heard great reviews about it, but they didn't have it, so I got this one, which I'm sure is just as good. I am so tired. It took me about like a half hour to set up my freaking hard drive because I've never done it before, so it's a little bit harder for me. I'm literally so exhausted. My sister just took the kids to go home, and now I'm trying to update my software to the Mac OS Catalina 10.15.6 whatever, so I can buy Final Cut Pro. So annoying me. That's like put money on my account so I could buy stuff from Backup Pro. It's just not working. So, we'll figure this out. It has been longer than an hour and a half, and I don't know why I didn't think to call Apple customer service in the first place. Note to self, note to future self, just call customer service instead of trying to figure out yourself, because I didn't even do the process the right way. I was on the right track, but I missed a few extra erasing processes. But I'm downloading macOS Catalina software to get Final Cut Pro. Thank the Lord I didn't break my laptop because I was so scared. I was like, oh my god, did I just break my laptop? I did not want to have to get Apple. I have to get a new one because I've had this for like 3 years and it's been doing me good. So 7 more minutes. Thank the higher power for being on my side. All right, I'm gonna figure this out and I'll check in with you guys later. Oh. So I'm going to just clean up the room and call it a night because girl is tired. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Switching to the Canon G7X Mark III now. It's going to take quite some time to get used to not looking at the viewfinder because it's literally right there. But I love the quality. It's gonna be hard not to check myself out either. Alright, I'm gonna take a shower. It's bye-bye now. Right, guy?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This is gonna take a lot to get used to. For one, the viewfinder, I'm gonna try my hardest to look at the lens. But I really like this camera. It is super nice. It was everything I expected and more. Right now I'm going to make the bed because it needs to be made, and then hey, that's me. Okay, so I'm gonna start editing this video right now because I've been slacking. Just procrastinating. That was so funny. Oh. So it was, I forget what I was gonna say. It was raining outside when we got back.
Didn't look nothing like that.
Huh?
Yeah.
What, that?
Yeah.
I know, your hair's gray, first off. We're gonna do sparklers. But it was raining outside, so that's obviously not gonna work. But if it clears up, we'll probably do it. Maybe. I'm just tired and hungry. Yeah?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Run. Run. Run while you still can.
Stop it!
I got that on camera, guy. So I'm going to change my shirt because I now have milk on it. And we're just gonna watch a movie because it's raining, so we can't do sparklers, unfortunately. So we're just gonna do this tomorrow. But yeah, that's the end of the vlog. If you guys made it all the way to the end, like, comment, and of course subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future uploads and updates and all that fun stuff. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.